Hello traders, today is 27th of April. The market was challenging, but we still managed very decent profit. If you look at the Euro USD chart, guys, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, and if you look at here, the price develop head and shoulder pattern. If you look at here, this one looks like a head and shoulder pattern. We are looking this breakout, the previous low breakout, price nicely broken and nicely hit to the profit target. And we had a short trade here, bank amazing profit. And let me share with you the analysis. That was a pretty straightforward. Okay, so you can see here, this is the analysis we did. We were looking this breakout, and as you can see here, based on that, market nicely broken. Beautiful short trade here. This is the breakout one trade here. Then we have another beautiful pullback based on the analysis. That was amazing trade on Euro USD. And let's move into the cable. Right, pound dollar. Pretty straightforward. If you look at the 4-hour chart this morning, we have, this is the breakout once the market respected this level. So we had this short trade here from this level, and as soon as the price hit to the support resistance level, you can see here, support level, by the way, you can see here, so we bank amazing profit. And afterwards, at the New York session, once the price respected, you can see here this blue line is 100 EMA in 4 hour, and this blue line is monthly support level. As you can see here, the market nicely respected here, and as soon as the market respected, we had a long trade at the New York session. Let me share with you the analysis of pound dollar. Okay, so you can see here this morning, pretty straightforward. We have this was the pretty straightforward breakout, bank few pp's, and afterwards the price impulsively reversed. When then we did this analysis, because the price developed a false breakout, so we're looking this breakout. And if you look at here, the price nicely broken previously, you can see here. So we had this long trade here, bank few pp's, and we also had another pullback. Once we see the price broken in this previous low, and then we explain to my trader, look, still price came back to the same structure, so we're looking this breakout. We have another beautiful short trade here as soon as the price hit to the previous low level. That's what I explained to my trader, again, to bank some profit. You can see here this one. At the New York session, once the market developed sideways market, as mentioned in 4 hour, price respected the 100 EMA, and we were looking this breakout. So based on that, market broken. As you can see here, the market broken, beautiful. We have this breakout, we have this pullback, and the last trade we have this pullback long trade, which we announced through live audio commentary. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, that's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. That was a beautiful trade, guys, on pound dollar. And let's see here on dollar CAD. We had only one trade here,